Hello, welcome to Château Hauteville. This is the first year that students have moved in and we are so excited to welcome you. Right now we are staying in the courtyard. It is a great place to get a great view of the chateau, but let's go check out some other locations that students use on a day-to-day basis.
So this is classroom A, one of the many classes that we have in the Chateau. It's the second biggest classroom we have here, designed for more lecture-based discussions and topics. We also have many smaller classrooms built for tighter-knit community with a smaller student-to-teacher ratio.
This is the Château Hauteville Student Library. It's open to students 24/7. We have a wide selection of different types of books, ranging from travel to books that you will be using in your classes. It's a great place for students to socialize and better connect with students on campus.
Hey guys, welcome to the Orangerie. This is our dining hall where we have all our meals together, and it is a great place to socialize and meet with your friends throughout the day. So the meals here are provided Monday through Wednesday all day for all 3 meals, and then Thursday there's breakfast and lunch, and then Tuesday nights we usually go out somewhere on the town together to eat, and then Friday mornings breakfast is provided, but other than that during the weekend you will use your digital disbursement.
So welcome to the student kitchen. This is another area where students like to gather as a community and socialize and cook meals together on days where the dining hall is not providing us meals. Here we have ovens, microwaves, industrial dishwasher, stovetop, everything you need to make a meal and hang out with friends.
All right, welcome into my room. I am room 22. The guys are on the 2nd floor, all the way at the top. We all have closet space, sheets that are provided, and towels that are provided as well. And it is a really special place to connect with roommates and overall immerse yourself in the culture of Switzerland's Château Hauteville.
So this is the attic. It's one of the major common areas for students to come, hang out, socialize, study. We also host plenty of events in here. Students can come play the piano, play some games. So this is one of the big places where students hang out, socialize, and get to become more of a community with one another.
Hey guys, welcome to the Chateau Gym. Here we have a variety of equipment for students to use, including free weights, bicycles, and a rowing machine. It is in the basement of the Chateau, and it is open 24/7, so it is a hotspot for a lot of the students here.
This is a student laundry room. We have a lot of washers and dryers, as you can see here. You do have to pay to use these with our app called App Wash. We do provide detergent and other resources for you, like the drying closet over here. And it is a prime location for students to get prepared for the upcoming week on those late nights when you have laundry to do.
Hey guys, welcome to the train station. Château Hauteville has its own ferry stop, which is very convenient. You can go 5 minutes this way or that way to go to Blonay or Vevey, where students can buy groceries, toiletries, or school supplies. And you can also take a train here to either Geneva for the airport or Lausanne for a lot of sightseeing. So it's very convenient.
Thank you for joining us on the tour of Château Hauteville. We look forward to welcoming you someday here in the beautiful country of Switzerland, and we hope to see you soon.